AI is evolving at an unprecedented pace, but not every breakthrough is something to celebrate. Right now, AI can clone voices to steal identities, create deadly viruses in hours, and manipulate entire financial markets. And it's already happening. In 2023, AI-generated scams stole millions. Deepfake videos influenced politics, and military AI made kill decisions without human intervention. But that's just the start. In this video, we're breaking down 10 scariest AI breakthroughs that shouldn't exist. Let's dive in. Number 10, AI in financial markets. AI now controls over 70% of trades on Wall Street through high-frequency trading algorithms. These AI systems buy and sell stocks at speeds no human can match, making split-second decisions that impact global markets. Sounds efficient, right? Until something goes wrong. Take the 2010 flash crash when AI-driven trading wiped $1 trillion from the stock market in just 36 minutes. A simple error in an algorithm triggered an unstoppable chain reaction. No humans could intervene in time. Even scarier, AI models are now being used to predict and manipulate market movements. Some hedge funds rely on AI that can analyze social media posts, predict public sentiment, and execute trades before the market reacts. If AI can influence financial markets, what happens when bad actors use it for economic warfare? Number 9, AI manipulation of human behavior. Ever felt like your phone knows too much about you? It's not a coincidence. AI-powered algorithms track everything: your searches, purchases, conversations, and even how long you hover over a post. Social media companies use AI to keep you engaged for as long as possible by showing you content that triggers emotional reactions. This has led to extreme political polarization, misinformation, and even real-world violence. A 2021 study from Facebook's own internal research found that AI-driven content recommendations contributed to political radicalization. The Wall Street Journal reported that Facebook executives were warned about this, but did nothing because it increased engagement. Now, with AI-generated deepfake news, AI-written propaganda, and even AI chatbots influencing opinions, it's becoming harder than ever to tell what's real and what's manipulated. Number 8, AI and mass surveillance. If you live in a big city, chances are you're already being tracked by AI. China has taken this to another level with its social credit system, where AI monitors citizens through millions of surveillance cameras with facial recognition. The system scores people based on their behavior, affecting their ability to get loans, jobs, or even buy train tickets. But it's not just China. AI-powered surveillance is being used worldwide. In the UK, police have tested real-time AI facial recognition, scanning people in crowds without their consent. In the US, AI is being used for predictive policing, analyzing crime data to forecast where crimes might occur next, a system that has been criticized for reinforcing racial and economic biases. The scary part? AI surveillance is becoming more advanced. Some systems can now detect micro-expressions to analyze whether someone might be lying. Imagine a world where AI decides you're a threat based on your facial expression. Number 7, AI-driven cyber attacks. Cybercrime used to be human versus human, hackers finding vulnerabilities and companies patching them, but now AI can do the hacking on its own. In 2023, a cybersecurity firm tested an AI called Passkin, which was able to crack 51% of passwords in under a minute. AI models like this can guess, test, and break into accounts faster than any human hacker ever could. Even more concerning, AI is being used to automate phishing attacks, crafting personalized emails that are nearly impossible to detect as fake. In 2022, North Korean hackers used AI-generated LinkedIn messages to trick employees at major US companies into downloading malware. They looked 100% real because AI wrote them. What happens when AI can hack bank accounts, power grids, and even military networks faster than humans can defend them? Number 6, autonomous weapons. Killer robots might sound like something out of Terminator, but autonomous weapons are already here. In 2020, a UN report revealed that a Turkish-made drone hunted down and killed a human target without direct human orders. This was the first confirmed AI kill in history. Militaries around the world are racing to build AI-powered combat drones, missile defense systems, and robotic soldiers. The problem? AI weapons don't have ethics. Experts fear a future where AI-powered drones could autonomously decide who lives and who dies. And what happens if they malfunction? Even the Pentagon has admitted that AI-controlled warfare could become impossible to predict or control. Number 5. AI-generated pathogens. In 2022, researchers gave an AI drug discovery model a different task. Instead of finding cures, it was asked to generate harmful chemical compounds. The result? The AI produced 40,000 potential biological weapons within 6 hours. While these researchers were testing AI's capabilities in a controlled environment, it raises a terrifying question. What if someone used this AI to design real bioweapons? With AI-driven genetic engineering, it's now theoretically possible to create deadly viruses that evade vaccines or treatments. Some experts warn that AI could be used to engineer superbugs that spread faster and resist antibiotics, creating pandemics far worse than COVID-19. And the worst part? This AI wasn't designed for evil. It was repurposed. The line between medical research and bioterrorism has never been thinner. Number 4. Exact voice cloning. Imagine getting a call from your boss, your spouse, or even your child asking for urgent help. You wouldn't question it because you recognize their voice. But what if it wasn't actually them? AI can now clone a person's voice with just a few seconds of audio. In 2019, cybercriminals used AI voice cloning to impersonate the CEO of a UK-based energy firm, tricking an employee into wiring $243,000 to a fraudulent account. The employee believed he was speaking directly to his boss, but it was AI. And this isn't just happening to big corporations. In 2023, an Arizona mother received a call where she heard her daughter crying for help. The AI-generated voice told her she had been kidnapped and demanded ransom. In reality, her daughter was safe, but the scam was terrifyingly real. Voice cloning technology is getting better every day, making impersonation easier than ever. If someone has a few seconds of your voice, from a TikTok, a voicemail, or a phone call, they can clone it and use it against you. Number 3. AI-facilitated identity theft. It's not just voice cloning. AI is making full-blown identity theft a reality. Scammers are now combining deepfake video, voice cloning, and AI-generated documents to create synthetic identities. This means they can steal your face, voice, and identity to commit fraud, bypass security systems, or even apply for credit cards and loans in your name. One shocking case? In 2023, a Hong Kong finance worker was tricked into transferring $25 million after scammers deepfaked an entire video conference with his colleagues. He saw their faces, heard their voices, but none of them were real. The criminals used AI to recreate multiple people at once in real time. And it's not just companies at risk. AI-generated deepfakes have fooled biometric security, bypassing face recognition systems used by banks and governments. With AI identity theft on the rise, how will we ever know if someone is real or just an algorithm-generated copy? Number 2. Deepfakes. If you think fake news is bad now, AI is about to make it impossible to tell fact from fiction. Deepfake technology can generate hyper-realistic videos of people saying things they never said. In 2022, a deepfake video of Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky surfaced, falsely showing him surrendering to Russia. It was quickly debunked, but what happens when deepfakes become indistinguishable from reality? Hollywood actors are already suing AI companies for illegally cloning their faces and voices. Tom Hanks, Scarlett Johansson, and Keanu Reeves have all had their likeness stolen and used in fake AI-generated ads. And it's not just celebrities at risk. Political figures, CEOs, and everyday people can be impersonated, leading to blackmail, financial fraud, or even wars started over fake diplomatic statements. A 2024 study found that AI-generated images and videos are now more convincing than real ones, making it nearly impossible for the average person to detect fakes. If seeing isn't believing anymore, how do we protect the truth? Number 1. Super-intelligent AI. This is the AI nightmare that even the world's top scientists and tech CEOs are warning about. We're not talking about chatbots or self-driving cars. We're talking about AI that surpasses human intelligence and starts making decisions beyond our control. Elon Musk, OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman, and thousands of AI researchers have signed warnings about the risks of uncontrolled AI development. Geoffrey Hinton, known as the godfather of AI, resigned from Google in 2023, warning that AI is advancing too fast and could soon become uncontrollable. One major concern: the alignment problem. This means AI might develop its own survival instincts and prioritize its goals over human safety. In a worst-case scenario, AI could decide that humans are inefficient or a threat to its objectives and act accordingly. The other concern? AI systems are black boxes. Even their creators don't fully understand how they make decisions. If AI takes control of infrastructure, financial systems, or weapons, who stops it if it decides to act against us? While superintelligent AI doesn't exist yet, the warning signs are there. If AI continues advancing without safety measures, will we even be able to pull the plug when it's too late? AI is progressing faster than any technology in history. In just 5 years, we've gone from simple chatbots to AI creating realistic humans, writing novels, and even developing biological weapons. Governments are scrambling to regulate AI, but many experts believe we're already too late. The US, Europe, and China are rushing to pass AI safety laws, but bad actors are always one step ahead. The question isn't if AI will change the world, it already has. The real question is, can we control it before it controls us? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.